So we have been using require here, the default way of working with Node.js, but let's try to use a package which will make it really easy to use import and export, and that is production ready as well. Okay, so that one is called ESM. So npm ESM. Okay, let's visit that. Okay, it's a very popular package. So it brings us this ECMAScript module loader, so we can easily use import and export. All right, so let's install this one, npm install ESM. Here in our server, let me stop this for now and run this. So while it's happening, actually it's pretty quick. Okay, let's start. Now let me go back. And to start using ESM, actually before I use the ESM, let me show you what happens if I try to use import express from express. So let's say we write import syntax, and we should have got the error here in the console. You can see syntax error, cannot use import statements outside a module. Okay, so something's wrong here, but with ESM it's all gonna work. So let's go to package.json, and you can see we currently using nodemon to execute server.js file. Now in between here we already have the ESM, so we can use that. So here -r ESM. So that's all you need to do. You need to add that. You might need to restart the server. So let's restart, and this time it should work because we're using ESM that supports import and export. You can see here, no problem. So we can go here, give it a try, no problem. So that is great. Now we can continue with our app. Next thing you want to do is create files and folders so that your application is well organized. For example, we can't just write everything in one file. Even though this is the file that will be executed, we don't have to write everything here. We can use different files and folders to modularize our code, right? So here you can see we have the routes, so we can move them to routes folder and just import here and use. That will be much better, right? So let's go ahead, put it in a separate routes folder.